Pathophysiology of brain death. The medical definition of brain death is the irreversible cessation of all functions of the entire brain, including the brainstem. The brain is made up of two main parts, the cortex and the brainstem. The cortex is responsible for higher functions like thinking and decision-making, whereas the brainstem controls vital functions such as breathing and is the center of human consciousness. If the cortex is severely damaged, a person can become unconscious and fall into a coma. In such cases, the brainstem remains functional, allowing the person to breathe on their own, although they might require the support of a ventilator. Sometimes, patients in a coma can recover as the cortex regains its function. However, brain death is an entirely different condition. Brain death signifies the complete and irreversible loss of function in both the cortex and the brainstem. This means the individual cannot breathe on their own, and over time, all other organs in the body begin to fail. If the patient is hooked to a ventilator, the machine continues to provide oxygen, keeping the heart pumping and supplying oxygenated blood to the organs temporarily. The heart has its own rhythm and continues to beat for a short time, unaware that the brain has ceased functioning. However, even with the support of a ventilator, the organs will gradually fail as the body shuts down. This is what differentiates brain death from a coma. While coma patients have the potential to recover, brain death is irreversible and medically recognized as death. No one has ever recovered from brain death. The only option left is to consider organ donation, which can save multiple lives. Organ donation gives a meaningful purpose to a tragic loss.